going on, guys? It's drifting day up here in Massachusetts /CT. There's a drift event going on at Thompson, Connecticut, so we're on our way there now. I had to do a couple errands before. All the guys are already there. Robbie needed a inner tie rod, so I had to go get him an inner tie rod. So yeah, basically we're on our way there. I'm actually pumped because this is the first event of the year that I'm actually going to, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I know that actually one of our buddies, Zach, is actually going to be driving for the first time in C-Class, so hopefully I can get some ride-along footage with him, throw my helmet on and try to, give him some tips as I've tried to help people that have helped me before. So hopefully it'll be pretty sick, help him out. And yeah, we're going to have a great day. It's kind of crappy out, but it is like perfect drift weather. It's about 70 degrees and a little wet, so you'll be saving a lot of tires for all the people that are driving, so it'll be pretty sick. So out here at Thompson, do you guys know, are they running A, B, and C? A's on the road course? B is going right now. Okay. So B and C are actually out on the skid pad, and then A is going to be on the road course. So hopefully I'm going to be able to get a little bit of footage of, like, obviously all three. So what Zach's running today in C-Class is this. This is what Zach's running. So pretty much everything's stock inside. Zach, what year is this? 93. It's a 93. So 93. So it's pretty sick. Have you what have you done to it?
It's got an intake, a header back exhaust, and just racing stuff.
So just pretty much bone stock.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much bone stock. So like I said, you guys can pick up anything, lower it a little bit, get some good tires, and freaking go to the track. So it's pretty sick. So like I said, I'm gonna try to get some in-car, helping him out, showing him kind of some of the ropes. Yeah, watch him spin around a little bit, whatever, that's good. And then we got this kid over here waiting, itching to go.
Yeah.
As you can see, he's got some work to do. With the day off he had a day off.
Yep.
And still got work to do.
I should have checked everything over a second time.
Yeah.
It happens.
Yeah.
It happens.
A little tidbit for you guys. They are like getting down to the nitty gritty on tech at any event now. So it doesn't matter if it's Lock City, doesn't matter if it's Gig, it doesn't matter if it's Northeast Drift Co. If you're going to go to tech, make sure you guys are double checking, triple checking your cars before you go. I'm actually double checking, triple checking my car tonight because I don't want to be running into freaking this crap. Because if you have a 2-day event, it's a little bit easier to, I would say, like, be able to like work on your car or whatever, because like you don't have to rush. But if it's only a single day event, it's actually pretty tough because like you're rushing around, you're going to tech, you're trying to get your car fixed, then you got to go back to tech, and then you're missing 2 out of the 4 or 5 runs.
I've already missed 1 run, and I'll probably miss the 2nd run.
Yeah. So like I'm saying, like it's tough, but I mean it's all learning experience. Once you actually get down to doing it a couple of times, I mean having a few under your belt. I mean this is like your 3rd. Yeah. So once you get a couple under the belt, you'll understand, like, you want to bring anything and everything possible. So that's why like some people have these like sick trailers and stuff, is like because they can fit anything in it. So they just toss any tools that you might need, whatever. And what I do is I just load the drift car up with tools on the trailer, and then I use the truck as like sleeping stuff or whatever. Like, but my car is full of tools and anything possible that I think if I'm gonna break something, I'm gonna have it there. So, but yeah, going on from there. Basically, like I said, we're just waiting out to hear out what's going on with Robbie's car. Mark's out there now. I'll get him on the next run group, and then I'm gonna get Zach out here on his runs. not that many drivers, huh?
No.
One just got pulled off. That's sick, though. If I knew that, I would have paid for it today, hands down. Yeah, I mean that's cheap, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's a perfect day too. Not wasting no tires, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it's at. There you go. There you go. Yep. Ran that bitch over. All right, so it's starting to dry up now. You probably want to bump it up another like 5 psi, okay. Like 50.
Yeah.
If you're at 45 or whatever.
Yep. Bro.
Alrighty, so out here in Robbie's Z.
Definitely more grip.
Clutch kick. You're going for round 2? So chilling out here at the skid pad. Mark's going out now. It's B class. So I'm chilling out here with Rob Goodwin Photography. So if you guys are ever watching all like the footage that I have, hold on. Watching all the footage that I have, he's the one that takes all the sick shots of my cars, all the cars out here. So definitely give him a like, give him a follow. So this is the road course, A-class road course at Thompson, with your boy 20 to beat. Oh my god. Oh. Holy shit. He's laughing. Yo. Twan. That shit was crazy, bro.
That was fast.
Oh, that was fast. How fast were you going?
I don't know, my speedo don't work. Got him.
So I've been in one A-class car. It was with them Orange boys at Club Blues North. And it was in a Miata. But we were just flying. I have no idea how fast we were going, but that was crazy.
Yeah, my car's catching a lot of grip, and I'm running 50 PSI in my tires right now.
Oh,
and I'm
word.
still gripping up like crazy.
Hell yeah. Dude, that was... Oh my god. Dude, that was insane.
That's why, like,
That's third
novice
gear?
drivers should not go
Yeah.
on road course.
I feel you.
You don't need power, you just need to be a good driver.
Hell yeah. Woo! Yo, your car, even it sounds so good. Like, you know what I mean? Like, no mishits, like, it just sounds good.
Driver mod.
Driver mod.
Need all of it.
Dude, oh my god. So after the drift event, out here with Julian, pulling his freaking motor. Basically he's got an oil pan leak, so we're trying to go around, fix his oil pan. And then also he's got some newer motor mounts that we're gonna put in, solid motor mounts, so we're gonna do that too while we got this freaking turret out.
I got motor mount, front main, rear main. Everything's leaking.
Yeah. So we're trying to get all this crap done. By the way, I do want to say the drift event was insane. Mark got a lot of seat time. Robbie got a lot of seat time. Twan showed me how exactly the road course is. I can't even explain it. It was crazy. Twan, you're nasty, bro. It was stupid. So, but yeah. So basically, like I said, we're getting into this. Lock City was dope, and I can't wait for next week. All right.
This what happened today.
So the motor's out. We got his motor out. Like I said, he's basically gonna be working on the oil pan.
Okay.
The motor mounts, he just purple powered everything because he was leaking oil like crazy.
Front main
So.
and I think the oil pan as well. So I'm just gonna do it all
Yeah.
as well. keep my oil pressure good. Don't have to worry about blowing it up. Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Feel that, bro. So yeah, we're gonna do all that. That's gonna be all done. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be away at work all freaking week, so I'll be texting updates. Yeah, he took his transmission out today in 30 minutes. So
30 minutes.
I was supposed to be here, and I was working on a truck, and then he's like, "Yo, by the time you finish your job, I bet you I will have the transmission dropped." And I was like, "All right, man." And I was racing and
motor pulled.
Yeah,
Really are.
yeah.
Jeremy
literally.
shows up and I already have the chains ready to go.
Ready
on the
to
motor.
go. So it is what it is. But yeah, so he's all set. Hopefully, like I said, we'll be going on the 20th. So I'm excited. He's excited. Louis excited. Jesse's excited. Everybody's excited, especially for Northeast Drift Co's first actual event, like legitimate event.
Legit event. Remember, that's my first time driving at that track as well.
Yeah, true.
You've
Yeah, exactly.
driven a bunch.
I've been, yeah.
Here with
Yep.
you, Louis, everybody, seen
Yep.
everybody driving. Myself, personally, I've never driven that track.
So it's a first for him. It's a first for New England Drift Co. So I'm excited. So I can't wait. But yeah, so this is gonna be the end footage of the weekend. Next weekend we're gonna be ripping. So can't wait. I'm gonna leave Julian to leave us out.
I got this done today, I guess. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all tomorrow or whenever he comes back.